If you have gutters, you know how important it is to keep them clean. Clogged gutters can lead to a variety of problems, including water damage to your home and foundation, mold growth, and even pest infestations. But cleaning gutters can be a dangerous job, especially if you're not using the right ladder. That's why it's important to choose a ladder that is safe, stable, and easy to use. In this video, we're going to review a few of the best ladders for cleaning gutters. We'll also give you some tips on how to choose the right ladder for your needs and how to use it safely. Number 1. BOWEITI TE125 Telescoping Ladder. This telescoping ladder has a maximum height of 12.5 feet and a minimum height of 2.8 feet, so you can adjust it to fit any job. It's made from high-quality aluminum alloy, so it's durable and sturdy. The ladder has a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, so it can safely support even the heaviest person or tools. Number 2. LUISLADDERS SWSM 403 Aluminium Ladder. One of the standout features of the LUISLADDERS SWSM 403 is its incredible versatility. This ladder can be used in various configurations, as a scaffold-leaning ladder or stepladder, making it a valuable addition to your tool collection. It's a space saver too, folding up to a compact size for easy storage. Number 3. Jupitor 20 feet Aluminium Ladder. The ladder can be extended to a maximum height of 20 feet, and it can also be collapsed down to a compact size for easy storage and transport. The ladder features rubber non-slip feet on the bottom, which helps to prevent it from slipping on wet or slippery surfaces. The ladder can be used for a variety of tasks, such as roof repair, window washing, and painting. Number 4. Little Giant Ladder Systems 15417-801 Aluminum Ladder. This lightweight, multi-position ladder will help you get stuff done faster and more efficiently than the average stepladder. The wide, flared ratchet leg levelers make it easy to adjust the ladder to reach uneven terrain. This is especially helpful when working on slopes or hills. This ladder is Type IA rated, which means it can hold up to 300 pounds. This makes it a good choice for both professional and DIY use. Number 5. SocTone 12.5 feet Telescoping Ladder. The ladder has 2 triangle stabilizers that help to reduce wobble by 36%. The ladder has smart locking pins that hold the parts in place and prevent sliding. The ladder is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which is resistant to wear and corrosion, rust, high and low temperatures, and aging. It can withstand up to 330 pounds of weight. The ladder retracts to a compact size for easy portability and storage. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about cleaning gutters or choosing the right ladder, please leave a comment below. We're always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe to Tool Squarey for more helpful videos about tools and home improvement.